Hey everyone, welcome back to English Phrases Hub, the place where you can learn and practice English through real life conversations. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Now let's get started. In today's video, we'll go through a natural and friendly conversation between two friends, Mike and Sarah, who meet after a long time and share updates about their lives. This conversation will help you improve your English in many ways. You will learn useful phrases for everyday conversations. Practice common questions and answers used in casual meetings. Expand your vocabulary with new words and expressions. Answer some comprehension questions to test your understanding. At the end of the video, I'll also share a list of important words and phrases you should remember, so stay tuned. Let's get started with our conversation.
Hey Mike, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey Sarah. Wow, it's been ages. I've been great, thanks for asking. Just really busy with work. What about you?
Pretty good. I actually started a new job recently. It's been challenging, but I'm really enjoying it.
That's awesome. Where are you working now?
I'm working at Green Tech Solutions as a marketing specialist. It's an environmental tech company.
That sounds interesting. What kind of work do you do there?
Mostly, I handle online campaigns and social media strategy. I also help coordinate events and webinars to raise awareness about sustainable technology.
Wow, that sounds really rewarding. Sustainability is such a big deal these days.
Absolutely. It's great to be part of a company that's making a difference. What about you? Still working at the software company?
Yeah, I am, but I recently switched roles. I'm now leading a team in app development.
Nice. That sounds like a big step up. Are you working on any exciting projects?
Actually, yeah, we're creating a new fitness app that combines personalized workout plans with dietary advice.
That sounds super useful. I'd love to test it out sometime.
Definitely. We're launching a beta version soon. I'll make sure to send you an invite.
That would be awesome. By the way, did you catch the game last night?
Yes, it was incredible. I couldn't believe they scored in the last minute.
Right? I was on the edge of my seat the entire time. That last goal was insane.
My heart was racing. We should totally watch the next match together.
Great idea. Maybe we could invite a few others and make an evening of it.
Sounds perfect. We could even turn it into a little potluck. Everyone brings something.
Ooh, I like that. Speaking of food, have you tried that new Italian restaurant on Main Street?
Yes, I actually went there last weekend. Their pizza is amazing, and the atmosphere is super cozy.
That sounds delightful. I've been meaning to check it out. Maybe we could go there for dinner sometime.
Absolutely. Let me know when you're free, and we'll make it happen.
Will do. Hey, are you planning any trips this summer?
Yeah, actually, I'm going hiking in the mountains next month. You should come.
That sounds amazing. It's been ages since I went hiking. I'd love to join. Just let me know the details.
For sure, I'll send you the info soon. We're going to this beautiful trail with waterfalls and amazing views.
That sounds perfect. I'll start getting my gear ready.
Awesome. It'll be great to have you along. Anyway, I should probably get going. I've got a meeting in about an hour.
No worries. It was so great catching up. Let's do this again soon.
Absolutely. Let's not wait so long next time. Take care, Sarah.
You too, Mike. See you soon.
Now, let's see how well you understood the conversation. I'll ask you 6 questions and you try to answer them before I reveal the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. How did Sarah describe her new job? Answer: she said it was challenging but enjoyable. 2. What is the name of Sarah's company? And she works at Green Tech Solutions, an environmental tech company. 3. What new role did Mike recently take on? He is now leading a team in app development. 4. What is the app that Mike's team is working on? Answer: a fitness app that includes personalized workout plans and dietary advice. 5. What event did Mike and Sarah talk about watching together? A football match, since they both watched and enjoyed the previous game. 6. What trip did Mike invite Sarah on? Answer, a hiking trip in the mountains next month. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Now let's go over some of the most useful words and phrases from today's conversation. These will help you sound more natural when speaking English. Long time no see. A friendly way to greet someone you haven't seen in a long time. Catching up. Talking about what has happened since you last met. Challenging but enjoyable. A good way to describe a job or task that is difficult but rewarding. Something that makes you feel good because it has value. On the edge of my seat. Used when something is very exciting, like a sports game. Turn it into a potluck. A gathering where everyone brings a dish to share. Been ages since I. Used when talking about something you haven't done for a long time. Let's make it happen. A casual way to agree to a plan. Sounds delightful. A polite and enthusiastic way to say something sounds nice. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed practicing English with this conversation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more real-life English practice. Now I have a challenge for you. Write your own short conversation using some of today's vocabulary and post it in the comments. I'll check and reply to some of your answers. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and improving your English.